You meet someone new. They smile, and they say, "Hi, tell me about yourself." And your mind goes completely empty. If that has ever happened to you, this lesson will fix it today. Welcome back to Lessons. In the next minutes, you will learn everything you need to introduce yourself in English, slowly, step by step. Your name, your country, your job, your hobbies, and how to ask questions back, so the conversation keeps going. Here is how it works. I will say each phrase 2 times. After me, you repeat out loud. Speaking out loud is what trains your mouth and your memory. Don't just listen. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Your name. The simplest way to say your name is this: my name is Anna. Listen again. My name is Anna. Now you say it with your name. Good. There is also a shorter, more natural way. Friends and everyday situations use this one. I'm Anna. That's it. I'm Anna. Your turn. One more. If people find your name difficult, help them like this. You can call me Anna. Listen. You can call me Anna. Repeat. Let's practice all 3 together. Slowly. My name is Anna. I'm Anna. You can call me Anna. Which one should you use? Here's the simple rule. My name is. For formal situations, like a job interview. I'm. For everyday life. You can call me. When you want to be friendly and helpful. Simple. And to answer politely when someone says their name, say, "Nice to meet you." Listen. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Beautiful. You can already start any introduction in English. Part 2. Where you are from. First phrase, I'm from Brazil. Listen, I'm from Brazil. Now say it with your country. Next, your city. I live in São Paulo. Listen, I live in São Paulo. Your turn, your city. And if you were born in one place, but live in another, use this: I was born in Italy, but I live in London. Listen again. I was born in Italy, but I live in London. Repeat, with your places. Practice time. All 3, slowly. I'm from Brazil. I live in São Paulo. I was born in Italy, but I live in London. Here is a bonus phrase people love to use in real conversations. Have you ever been there? After you say your country, ask this, and suddenly, it's not an introduction anymore. It's a conversation. Listen. Have you ever been there? Repeat. Excellent. Name, done. Country, done. Let's talk about what you do. Part 3. Your job or your studies. For work, the pattern is, I work as a teacher. Listen, I work as a teacher. Say it with your job. Another way, I'm a nurse. Very short, very common. I'm a nurse. Your turn. If you are a student, say, I'm a student. I study engineering. Listen, I'm a student. I study engineering. Repeat with your subject. And if you are between jobs, no problem. Say, I'm looking for a new opportunity. That sounds positive and confident. Listen, I'm looking for a new opportunity. Repeat. Let's drill them. I work as a teacher. I'm a nurse. I'm a student. I study engineering. I'm looking for a new opportunity. Quick tip: in English, we say I work as a teacher, with as. Not I work like a teacher. Small word, big difference. Part 4. Your family and your life. These phrases make your introduction warmer and more human. First, I'm married. Listen, I'm married. Repeat. Or, I'm single. Children, say, I have 2 kids. Listen, I have 2 kids. Repeat with your number, or skip it. And everyone's favorite family member. I have a dog. His name is Maximum. Listen, I have a dog. His name is Maximum. Repeat. Remember, you choose what to share. An introduction is not a police interview. Share what feels comfortable. Skip the rest. Part 5. Your hobbies and free time. This is where people connect with you. Pattern number 1. I like cooking. Listen, I like cooking. Say it with your hobby. Pattern number 2. A little more natural. I enjoy watching movies. Listen, I enjoy watching movies. Repeat. Pattern number 3. Very conversational. In my free time, I play football. Listen, in my free time, I play football. Your turn. Notice something? After like and enjoy, the verb ends in ing. I like cooking. I enjoy watching movies. That little ing makes you sound natural. Practice round. I like cooking. I enjoy watching movies. In my free time, I play football. One more magic phrase. What about you? 3 small words. After you share your hobby, ask this, and the other person starts talking. Listen. What about you? Repeat. Part 6. Asking questions back. A good introduction is not a speech. It's ping pong. You say something. You ask something. Here are the 4 questions you need. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? This means, what is your job? Do you like it here? Again, a little faster. Like a real conversation. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Do you like it here? If you remember only one thing from this part, remember what about you. It works after everything. Part 7. Let's put it all together. Listen to a complete casual introduction. First, just listen. Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. I'm from Brazil, but I live in London now. I work as a designer. In my free time, I like cooking and watching movies. What about you? Now, we shadow it. I say one line, you repeat. Ready? Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. I'm from Brazil, but I live in London now. I work as a designer. In my free time, I like cooking and watching movies. What about you? Now the formal version, for a job interview or a business meeting. Just listen first. Good morning. My name is Ana Silva. I'm from Brazil. I work as a graphic designer, and I have 5 years of experience. It's a pleasure to meet you. Shadow it with me. Good morning. My name is Ana Silva. I'm from Brazil. I work as a graphic designer, and I have 5 years of experience. It's a pleasure to meet you. Hear the difference. Casual. Hi, I'm Anna. Formal. Good morning. My name is Ana Silva. Same information, different clothes. Recap. The 10 phrases to remember. 1. I'm Anna. 2. Nice to meet you. 3. I'm from Brazil. 4. I live in London. 5. I work as a teacher. 6. I'm a student. I study engineering. 7. I like cooking. 8. In my free time, I play football. 9. What do you do? 10. What about you? Now, your challenge. Introduce yourself in the comments, right now, using at least 3 phrases from today. Your name, your country, your hobby, anything you like. I read every single introduction, and I will reply. Let's meet each other. If this lesson helped you, give it a like, and subscribe to lessons, new practical English every week. Every small step counts. Thank you for practicing with me, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.